Hi, I'm Gary. You may remember a couple of weeks ago I told you about some deals on Airfix kits down at Lidl. Well, I've come to my local 2 weeks later to see if there's any left. Why don't you come and join me? As a reminder, Lidl had offered 5 Airfix gift sets: the Spitfire Mark 1A, the Folland Gnat, the Tiger 1, the Sherman Firefly and the DUKW amphibious vehicle, each for £6.99. From Revell, they offered the 1/24th scale kits of the McLaren 570S, the Porsche 911 Carrera and the Porsche 934 race car, although I have heard that some stores have had the E-Type Jaguar kit as originally suggested as well. Finally, there were 3 ships from Revell: the 1/83rd scale Mayflower, the 1/225th scale HMS Victory, and a twin box of the RMS Titanic in both 1/700th and 1/1200th scales. So in this store at least, they've got 5 Airfix kits: the Spitfire, the Sherman, the Tiger, the Duck W and the Folland Gnat. However, can't see any Revell kits here yet. So all of the Airfix kits seem to be in stock, maybe because these are made to order for Lidl. I'm not sure if that's the case with the Revell stock. Well, that's a bit of a disappointment, but you know what, it has been 2 weeks, but do check out your local store just in case they've got them. Best of luck hunting down that bargain. Thanks very much for watching, and I hope to see you again soon. Goodbye.